Ah, my arthritis. Help, I've fallen and I can't garden.
Arthritis affects over 27.1 million adults living in the U.S. alone. This makes it extremely difficult to perform gardening motions and maneuvers such as bending, kneeling, and reaching. Meet Carol, the face of our project, a 65-plus-year-old that suffers from arthritis and yearns for an easier way to tend to her garden while still retaining her independence. We have selected her as our case study to try and innovate a way to ease the burdens associated with gardening for those who suffer from arthritis. Over the past semester, we have performed numerous tests, planning, research to come up with our ultimate design of the Get Low device. We aim to design a device that will assist the user in getting low to the ground, maximize their reach and mobility while low to the ground, and then assist them in standing back up. Our ultimate goal was to design a safe and efficient way for elderly users to garden in a seated position. Can't wait to see you all at Design Day.